Manipurda ana layang bagi thabak tawriba private clinic, dental clinic, optical amadi testing laboratory kaya register tawdre. Kurumzari, mideng tabiri basing bataram nokchari, pau sandok na pizari. Manipurda leiriba ana layang bagi thabak tawriba tongan ba private clinic, dental clinic, optical amadi testing laboratory kaya register tawdre. ISTV news na health services Manipurda gi phangba paugi matung ina mioi kharana tawning ba mawongda clinic, optical amadi testing laboratory na chingba kaya hangdoktuna ana layang bagi thabak kaya chathari. Health services ta register tawduna kanagumba mioi amatana clinic, dental clinic, optical amadi testing laboratory na chingba sing hangdokpa yade haiba akak naba niyom leirabasu niyom asi thosadana mioi kyana tawning ba mongda thabak tawri. Manipurda nursing home and clinic registration act listing amaga chamapan Manipurda ni thoigi section 3 gi makhada dandi piba yarabasu dandi asi yamna pikpa maramna kanagumba amatana act asi bu thosadana maning makha tamna thabak ase chatharakpani hairi makhoina mari leinaba health services ta register tawbagi mahuta masa masagi clinic yauna ana layeng bagi thabak tawriba mafam singbu sel thadaduna mi changlak naba haiduna media gi thongda advertise tawbagi thabakti chathari paw asina makha taraduna register tawdaba clinic, dental clinic, optical amadi testing laboratory singda karigumba khudong thiba amadi phattanungda thorakpa matamda health services na daita puroi haina health services ki director masana khangalagli Miyam nasu register tawdaba ana layeng baga mari lainana thabak tawriba mafam singdagi cheksinna bakhangalagli amaromda atopa paugi likhul amagi matung ina register tawdaba ana layeng bagi thabak tawriba tongan ba mafam sing asigi mathakta akanba action lokhatpa yana ba athuba matamda khara hena kanba ek ama chana hanaba Manipur sarkar na khanaba leiri hairi Manipur gi Imphal yauna Manipur gi mafam kyada hauji clinic, dental clinic, optical amadi testing laboratory chani gi mayada register tawdana ana layem gi thabak tawduna leiri hairiba mafam sing asida khudong thiba thorakpa matamdadi Manipur sarkar na yengsinbide haiba wafam thamnakhiba kaya laikre register tawdana asigumba ana layem gi thabak pangthokpa asina mioi kayada khudong thiba thokadabadagi kannabagi damak tangai phadana register tawhannaba anauba ek ama puthokadawri bani haina paw asina makhatari Kiamgai Muslim oinam lokon mapada fit chamarom sangna Imphal Turil gi torban kai kiba duna maram oiduna awa ana taraba singda kendra gi MLA amadi Manipur sarkar gi mari leinaba department na miyam gi awa ba kok nabagi mahuta Kiamgai Muslim gi relief committee ga hunaduna leithokpa haibasi leibak macha tadaba thawong ni haina youth development pioneer organization thadorpa cherolam na khangalagli paugi marakthana tenba bre matang lawjari
Changi labor solak padagi puju singattaba hakchang choktarba tumba chaba yaraktaba khong hama nungayaktaba singidamak amatta nairaba upaidi jolib syrup amasung jolib capsule bu changmina sinabiyo
Admission open 2016-17. Irengbom Thamja Devi IITD Nursing and Healthcare Research Institute and Multi-Speciality Hospital, Uripo Khoisnam Laikai. Courses: GNM 3 years, BSc MLT 3 years, BSc MLT Lateral Entry 2 years, PG DMLT 1 year, Master in MLT, MSc MLT 2 years, Diploma in MLT 2 years.
UNACO School, Excellence in Education, Kongman Zone 3 West. Admission notice for Class 11 Science Session 2016-17. Last date of form submission 8 June 2016. Date of entrance dates 11 June 2016 Saturday. Exemption of admission and the tuition fee for rank holders in High School Living Certificate Examination 2016. 038524463884.
Panacea Coaching Center, New Chakon, the best and the only trusted coaching center in Imphal.
Admission open 10 foundation course for class 6 to 10 starts 23rd June. Our toppers are 2nd position N. Suzena Devi, 3rd Ambasundara Devi, 6th Gary, 10th Yaisana, 11th Selina, 13th Davidson, 15th Sujakanta, 16th Ningthem and 25th Apollo. Hurry, limited seats.
Irudio Coaching Institute. Admission open for Class 11 Science CBSE 16 June 2016. Visual-based learning sigi kanabadi takliba adubu laina khanghanba ngami amasung mitna uraga khangkiba para adubu laina ningsinghali. Other features are small batch size, faculties experts in CBSE syllabus and exam pattern. For more information, Irudio Coaching Institute, Kangabam Leirak Machin behind Baigo Hotel.
Build your success BYS Palace Compound Machalema School.
6% tabang ngamdarapasi ano ba amasung BYS Coaching Institute animatra credit cbjani BYS ki hostel da lejadana BYS ki connection to revision course anima biawar ga mai pa ko sing ngamdarapani.
Admission is going on.
Oza Pain Relief Ointment Khwang naba ok chikpa tang chikpa phu naba ni singbada sinaba yarba lipsap group na puthok saba Oza
Proactive Academy of Competitive Exam Written Exam ga mari lena Proactive Academy na sinduna lakliba jun gi tang ahum dagi special course haujaragani Medical Directorate amadi Education S Department gi Office Assistant logodoriba amadi Revenue Department da LDC Revenue Inspector Jiladar amadi Mandal ga mari lena special course asi chathagadabni ngasimak admission tawbiyo course ki matam nungtilpung ahum dagi pung 3 minute nifunga faugni
Amukana taram nokchari Manipurda ILPS Jatna Halu pass Tokiba bill ahum ekto onthu police na fakiba Mahiroi Singh condition amata yaudana athuba matamda thadu haibadabida Samushang Brilliant Club Community Hall da tarang bam Manoj Kumar na chara helakpa ngasiga thana numit humni sukre Modern Higher Secondary School da class 12 tamliba Mahiroi asina chara hen bada sogatladuna ngasi naurem thongdagi Imphal Kangchup lambida miyam na lambi thingduna khongjang sangsin basu hokre lamfel gi area da laiba office si matang kaktana thingbagi thabak satharagani haina lamdam adongi mera paibi singna laukthokrabani Potyan tauban nan Manipuri sing kangkhatuna thamlaga KSA gi thongmi sing phajinduna thamba thawongbu Uchekon Jubras Pali Mera Paibi Association Linthoi Ngambi Women's Development Organization Uchekon Takhok Mapan Laikon Women Development Association amsung Takhok Mapan Women Mera Paibi Association na wakan mifam phamkre hairi Atien ba break amagam luxury
Slope Lane Public School, Khongzom, Manipur. Admission open for Class 11. Biggest and finest boarding school in Northeast India. 100% pass percentage in CBSE Class 12 examination. Contact 961-5965-922 9856-835024 www.slopelandpublicschool.com.
And wishing Likla on its 25th celebration.
Imphal Valley Academy Co-Education Admission open for Class 11 Science Art included Home Science for Academic Session 2016-17 Facility Boys Hostel, Girls Hostel, Lab Physics, Chemistry, Biology and Computer Boys Toilet separate, Girls Toilet separate Transport Imphal Valley Academy Canteen and Playground Separate Classroom
Hainau ya sing mamahau pambirabadi Legere Freshly Mango Buns Adusu sumna tagi lupa tarada 600 ml na tuga 1200 ml Freshly Mango drink labada Mimi Noodles lem na hapchagani Champrado na fresh winning labadi Takpiyo Freshly Nimbu Pani Punamakta fresh amasung pure oiraba Freshly
Science Tutorial Center Wangkai Kaital Asangbi Sahi Kudingi Leptana Paba Mahiroi Putuktuna Lagiba Science Tutorial Center na Anak Sahi Gisu Tarataruk Suba Position da Purul Dep Huidrom Amadi Kunmari Suba Position da Laima Pokpam Merina Devi Yaurakle Admission open Class commence from 20 June 2016 Last date of admission 18 June 2016 Please contact Science Tutorial Center
Manipurgi ahanba beautification center mafam sida mahing uring unsa khoiba ariba dakfam phahanba ngami tattoo mole freckle na jingbasu lauthokpa yai hakchanggi ahenba fat pamdaba body gi hair lauthokpa yai ngasimag unabiu Dr. Madhubala Laser Beauty Clinic MZ Avenue Imphal
Sabala bi matungina inkhali bi na pimja sinda abaji thing phangi ꯑꯋꯥꯕ ꯀꯌꯥꯗꯒꯤ ꯈꯖꯤꯛꯇꯪ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯕꯁꯨ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯐꯪꯅꯕ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯈꯛꯇꯪꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯍꯥꯌꯔ ꯁꯦꯀꯦꯟꯗꯔꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜ ꯑꯃ ꯃꯃꯥꯡ ꯆꯍꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯜ ꯇꯝꯖꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯉꯁꯤꯃꯛ ꯑꯦꯁꯦꯟꯠ ꯒꯔꯜ ꯑꯦꯀꯥꯗꯃꯤ ꯁꯪꯒꯣꯜꯃꯟ ꯕꯤꯖय ꯒꯣꯕꯤꯟꯗ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯂꯦꯡꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯔꯛꯎ
ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯀ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯇꯔꯥꯝ ꯅꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤ ꯌꯥꯏꯔꯤꯄꯣꯛ ꯇꯣꯞ ꯆꯤꯡꯊꯥꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯑꯦꯁ ꯃꯤꯂꯟ ꯀꯧꯕ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯌꯥꯗꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯊꯣꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯊꯨꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯕꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯁꯦꯝꯖꯤꯟꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ISTV ꯅ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯀꯤ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯈꯣꯜꯂꯥꯎ ꯄꯤꯄꯜꯁ ꯚꯣꯏꯁꯇ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯔꯛꯂꯤ
ꯌꯥꯏꯔꯤꯄꯣꯛ ꯕꯖꯥꯔꯗꯒꯤ ꯀꯤꯂꯣꯃꯤꯇꯔ 8 ꯂꯣꯝ ꯑꯋꯥꯡꯂꯣꯝꯗ ꯆꯠꯂꯒ ꯆꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯈꯣꯡ ꯚꯤꯂꯦꯖ ꯂꯩ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯊꯣꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯗꯕ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯀꯨꯏꯔꯦ ꯊꯣꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯂꯥꯠꯂꯥꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯍꯤꯡꯅꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯌꯥꯏꯗ ꯈꯣꯡꯅ ꯂꯥꯜꯂꯒ ꯆꯠꯅꯔꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇ ꯑꯁꯨꯛ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯋꯥꯔꯁꯤꯅꯗꯤ ꯅꯣꯡꯖꯨ ꯊꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯗꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯅꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯋꯥꯕ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯤꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯕ ꯑꯣꯊꯣꯔꯤꯇꯤꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯠꯌꯦꯡ ꯆꯪꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ
ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯐꯨꯗ ꯁꯦꯀ꯭ꯌꯨꯔꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯑꯍꯣꯡꯕ ꯃꯃꯜꯗ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯆꯦꯡ ꯐꯪꯍꯟꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯂꯧꯈꯠꯄ ꯊꯧꯔꯥꯡ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯊꯧꯕꯥꯜ ꯃ꯭ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯁꯤꯄꯥꯜ ꯀꯥꯎꯟꯁꯤꯜ ꯋꯥꯔꯗ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ 10ꯒꯤ ꯀꯥꯎꯟꯁꯤꯂꯔ ꯍꯤꯖꯝ ꯖꯃꯨꯅꯥ ꯋꯥꯔꯗ ꯃꯦꯝꯕꯔ ꯑꯣꯀ꯭ꯔꯝ ꯏꯉꯣꯆꯥ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯋꯥꯏꯈꯣꯝ ꯃꯨꯟꯅ ꯔꯦꯁꯟ ꯀꯥꯔꯗꯁꯤꯡ ꯌꯦꯟꯊꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯄꯥꯎ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯀꯟꯅ ꯂꯧꯕꯤꯔꯁꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯑꯅꯥ ꯂꯥꯌꯦꯡꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯚꯦꯠ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯤꯅꯤꯛ ꯗꯦꯟꯇꯦꯜ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯤꯅꯤꯛ ऑप्टिकल अमदी टेस्टिंग लेबोरेटरी कया रजिस्टर तौद्रे मिनें ताबिरबसिंग बोमुकन खुलुमजरी